Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send help to your guild friends on the Lord's mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Lord's mobile game on your device, and once the game is opened up, complete the basic tutorial levels if you're playing for the first time, or log in to your existing one. After this step, you will be taken into your kingdom. After establishing your bases and your infrastructures, you will be prompted to join a guild. You can also tap on the gear icon at the bottom section and then use the search and recommend option, and then tap on the guild box, and now you can find various different guilds that you can join. Once you have joined a guild, you can access this from the guild menu at the bottom section. Now if any guild member is requiring assistance in their battle, you will find this within the friends or the guild assist menu. Once you tap on this, just tap on send help and you will see how many individuals are needing assistance. After you tap on this button, you will see the various different helps that are being sought. Just tap on the help option for the team that you wish to help, or you can also tap on the help all option. This may deplete some of your resources, so make sure that you have enough resources for yourself before helping others. And there you have it. That is how you can assist someone from your guild on the Lord's mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.